Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 17th, 2022. We're going to talk about Tezos today. We're going to try to see if the market has finally hit bottom in Tezos. You guys can see that has been a very long journey to the downside ever since October of last year. We bottomed right here around June 20th of 2022. 86%, almost 87% down move occurred into the market from that time frame. So now I wanted to come in and speak to each and every one of you as to maybe we have hit the bottom in Tezos, and now price can finally continue to move higher, as you all can already see. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. This is what I do. I create the price predictions. I make sure that we are in position to capitalize off of these price moves so that we can win in the market. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and do those things. Like the video, share the video, also subscribe. All right, now check this out. Did a video in Tezos all the way at the beginning of the year. So beginning of the year, I was already expecting that the market in Tezos was weak. You guys can see that I was playing the weakness to the downside, albeit you all can see that initially the market was very reluctant into trying to fall below $3, but eventually it did. So that tells you that the market during this time frame was kind of oblivious to the weakness that was going on in the cryptocurrency space. People were very reluctant into thinking that the value of cryptocurrencies were going to go down. They felt that this was a buying opportunity, so they continued to try to buy the market in Tezos right there around $3 all the way up there to $4.50 until the market finally broke. And once we broke this long-term trend, you all can still see that that definitely confirmed that the market in Tezos was weak. So the moment that we saw price in Tezos break this long-term ascending line in April, maybe beginning of May, we all should have went short. The market told us that. And you guys can see since April, beginning half of May, that the market in Tezos fell, what, 56%. Okay. So another thing I wanted to show you to confirm that the market in Tezos was weak was right here on this day, because the market always gives us answers. It gives us clues of how we should be thinking about our analysis. You guys can see right here, and let me zoom in a little bit closer. The market here on this particular day, May the 5th, 2022, it tried to move higher, right? It tried to break back up above that long-term trend, and it got rejected. Once that rejection occurred, you should have said, I got the confirmation to take the market short. And not long after, the market in Tezos fell. So congratulations to those who got that 30.5% out the market. It took a while. You guys can see ultimately it came through on May the 9th, 2022. We had this idea going since the beginning of the year. All right, so let's go ahead and cut that out. And let's try to figure out what the market has in store for Tezos. Now, obviously, we are no longer seeing the market in Tezos in this upward trend. So we're going to go ahead and cut that out. There's no need for us to hold this trend line no more because the market has broken into the downside. We need to create another one, and that is going to be our first focus. We're going to show you how the market in Tezos is in an upward trend. So considering that we see this, right, we need to follow the market. We've seen confirmation numerous times in Tezos that price is still bullish. Okay, let me show it to you, because I'm going to show you right here on these price bars that the market in Tezos has came and confirmed that it did not want to allow price to fall, right? You guys can see it. The last time was on July the 26th. And the first time it created this trend line was on June the 19th. The second time was July the 13th. And the third time was on July the 26th. And ever since then, price has been going up in Tezos, all right? So this is the current trend. So as long as price in Tezos continues to trend alongside this ascending line, we have nothing to worry about. Market will continue to trend higher. Okay. Now you guys can see though, today's price action, we are seeing the market closing off of the highs. We're currently up 3.04%. But what we're noticing is that the market is getting hit with some selling as of this particular moment. And if we were to create where this weakness is coming in at, you guys can see where it takes us. Okay. So do you think the market has enough momentum in Tezos to continue to at least hit $2.20? Do you think so? Because we're going to focus in on the market in Tezos trying to run up to that particular price level. Let me go ahead and see this on a 2-day chart. Currently, yeah, we're getting weakness right now. but seeing that this trend has been in place since June, the weakness that we're seeing today is not that bad. I'm also seeing weakness on the 3-day chart too. The good thing is that the buyers are definitely into the market, and Tezos trying to buy up whoever is selling into the market, but I hope they have a lot of money, because they're going to have to draw out their wallets to continue to buy whoever is selling their Tezos into the market. Okay. So generally, I'm still seeing that the market trend in Tezos is still one of higher prices, albeit I don't think it's that bullish though. The market right now in Tezos does not look that bullish. Okay. So one thing I wanted to show you right here on this 3-hour chart, you guys can see how much volume came in on this 3-hour price bar. And the market has gone higher since then. That represents that buyers came into the market there. So that's around $1.78. Okay, so like if I had to put a time on it right now, it would have to be a waiting perspective, because I do see weakness coming in on the charts right now on an hourly time frame. We want to see how low the market's going to go before the buyers open up their wallets again and start to buy up this currency. I do see a new support area though, so let me show that to you. This area right here needs to be acting as support in order for Tezos to continue to go higher. Okay, so as we are noticing that sellers are coming into the market, we need to see the market do this. Come and hold this line, and then possibly hold this ascending line, then break out. That's one forecast. The second one would be for the market to fall, and then we already know what to do if the market in Tezos falls below this trend line that I've created. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on. I'm still going to go with the long side. I'm going to go with the expectation that the market in Tezos is going to continue to trend higher. And pretty much as long as the market continues to hold $2.20 right here, I mean $1.80 here, all the way down to our trend line, I'm going to continue to expect the price to go up. Okay, now the first spot for us to come in and grab some profitability would be there around $2.20. It's not much. It's only 14%. Like I said, I do see some areas of sellers positioned there. And then my second one would be a little bit higher up here towards $2.40. That's 23.25% move. Now, understand, I'm not really too confident that the market in Tezos is going to break 220 to the upside though. Not yet. But if it does, then 240 is my next spot. Okay, so that's it. I am done. I want you all to go ahead and give me your price prediction into the market in Tezos. Where do you all think the market's going to go right now? Like I said, I am looking for the price to go down, which is why I identified $1.80 to $1.71 as being maintained as support. As long as that happens, I'm going to expect the price in Tezos to go up. All right, that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts, your price prediction, your price target with a comment below, and let me know where do you think the market is headed. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.